Now we are going to see about command line arguments. Command line arguments is nothing but passing the input data without using scanf function. So normally generally what we do is when we present a program, we'll compile it, run it, and then we'll get the output. So when we write a program also we use printf function, scanf function. Printf is to get the output. Scanf is to get in the input. So in command line arguments will not use that. So this is the main brief explanation of this command lines. And coming to next, I'll show you types of command lines. Generally there are two types we see here. One is argument count and other is argument value. Count is for integers and value is for characters normally, and you can get it out why you use here asterisk. Because why we use here asterisk, because we don't know how many strings we are going to enter in the program. So to overcome that, and we are using here array for characters, so we use that. And later coming to the brief explanation I gave you already. Argument character is used for integers, I said now. Actual, and one more main point is actual value is the characters, and whatever we are passing is the character count, and actual value will be the argument characters. So steps to be executed. Normally when we run a program, I said already that we'll compile, run, and we'll get the output. But in case of command line argument, there are some steps to be followed. First you have to compile, and here running is not possible because there is no input function. We are not using scanf function here, so there is no scanf function to be used. Then why to run the program? So what we do is we'll go to files, and you'll get OS shell. Click on that, and then you normally what you do is first you'll save the program. I'm going to save the program as cmd .t. okay, I'm going to save the program like this, and later I'll compile, and I'll go to file menu and click on OS shell. Then it command prompt will be opened. After command prompt will be open, it will ask to enter the file name and number of arguments. So I'll enter the file name because what I saved is cmd.d. I'll enter that, and I'll enter the number of arguments. So what we get in output is total complete path. Whatever we enter, that all will get. For example, I'll show you an example here. See what I did. /include stdio.h, that is the header file we know, and I'm passing the input through the main function itself. So you can observe here, passing the input through the main function itself. I'm not using any scanf function here. I'm directly passing through main function, and I'm printing that one in integer and other in character. Well, after that, what I said, first you have to save, compile, and then go to OS shell, and then you'll enter into command prompt. After enter the file name whatever you saved, and then you'll get the output. This is the process. I'll show you with an execution.